Before you can work on board the ship, there is one training that every seafarer must complete, a training that can save your life and the lives of others at sea. This training is called SOLAS. But what exactly is SOLAS? Who needs it? How much that it costs in the Philippines? And how can you get it step by step? Let's talk about it. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tintin and on this channel, I share helpful informations, guides, and real experiences to help aspiring seafarers and cruise ship applicants start their journey at sea. If you're planning to work on a cruise ship or any vessel, this video will help you understand what SOLAS training is, why is it important, and how you can get it in the Philippines. So make sure to watch until the end. Why was SOLAS created? SOLAS was created because of the tragic maritime disasters in the past where many people lost their lives due to lack of safety procedures and training. One of the most famous maritime tragedies in the history was the sinking of the RMS Titanic in 1912. More than 1,500 people died, and one of the major reasons was insufficient lifeboats and lack of proper emergency preparation. Because of this disaster, international maritime authorities created stronger safety rules to prevent similar tragedies in the future. That is how SOLAS was developed. Today, SOLAS regulations help ensure that ships are equipped with proper safety systems and that crew members are trained to respond to emergencies. Who needs SOLAS training? SOLAS training is required for almost everyone working on board a ship. This includes cruise ship crew members, cargo ship crew, deck and engine crew, hotel department staff, galley and kitchen staff, housekeeping crew, utility workers, and new seafarers entering the maritime industry. Even if your position is not directly related to ship operation, you are still part of the emergency response team on board. That is why every crew member must understand basic survival, fire safety, and first aid procedures. Safety at sea is everyone's responsibility. STCW subjects included in SOLAS training. SOLAS training is usually part of STCW basic training. STCW means Standard of Training, Certification, and Watchkeeping for Seafarers. The training includes 4 main subjects. First, Personal Survival Techniques or PST. In this training, you will learn how to properly wear a life jacket, how to survive in open water, water survival techniques, and how to use life rafts and survival equipment. This training usually includes actual water exercise in a swimming pool. Second, fire prevention and firefighting. Fire is one of the most dangerous emergencies on a ship. In this training, you will learn types of fire extinguishers, firefighting techniques, and how to control fire emergencies on board. This also includes actual fire drills and simulations. Third, elementary first aid. This subject teaches you how to respond to medical emergencies. You will learn basic first aid, CPR, treating injuries, and emergency medical response. This training prepares crew members to help injured passenger or fellow crew members. Fourth, personal safety and social responsibilities. This subject focuses on safety culture on board, responsibilities of crew members, working together during emergencies, and understanding safety procedures. It also teaches discipline, teamwork, and awareness while working on a ship. Requirements to enroll in SOLAS training. If you want to enroll in SOLAS or basic training in the Philippines, most training centers will require valid passport, 2x2 ID pictures, training registration form, medical certificate from an accredited clinic, valid government ID, and payment for the training. Some training centers may also ask for PSA birth certificate depending on their policy. How much is SOLAS training in the Philippines? The cost of SOLAS training depends on the training center, but usually in the Philippines, the price ranges from 6,000 to 10,000 pesos. This typically includes the complete STCW basic training package. The training duration is usually around 5 to 7 days depending on the training center's schedule. After completing the training, you will receive STCW certificates that are required for seafarers. What happened after SOLAS training? Once you complete your SOLAS or basic training, the certificates will be used for several important requirements such as applying for your Seaman's book, applying for cruise ship jobs, applying for cargo ship employment, and completing your seafarer documents. Without this certificate, it is not possible to legally work on board a ship. Becoming a seafarer is not easy. It requires preparation, patience, and investment. But every training you complete brings you one step closer to your dream of working at sea. And remember this, SOLAS training is not just about completing a requirement. It is about accepting the responsibility to protect lives at sea. One day, during an emergency, the skills you learn in this training might help save a passenger, a fellow crew member, or even yourself. And that is the true value of SOLAS. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have questions about seafarer requirement, cruise ship jobs, or maritime training, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching, and I wish you success in your seafarer journey. See you in the next video.